Today we're gonna make the best pizza dip I have ever made. 16 ounces of softened cream cheese. And then we are gonna also put some mozzarella into the cheese dip. Sorry, we don't have a bigger grater today. So we're gonna get this finely shredded mozzarella. So it's gonna melt really nice in there. Okay, now that we got the mozzarella, we're gonna put some sharp cheddar and get that shredded in there. Ooh. I'm learning a better technique now that I've been using this for a little bit. Start at the corners. Look at that.
It's a nice color.
I know, I love seeing the colors. I'm doing this because I'm trying to do less of the bag cheese because I've heard there's like stuff in there. Do y'all know anything about that? Someone even said like cardboard or something. Anyway. All right, so we got about a cup and a half's worth of mozzarella. Let's get those last little bits. And I'll just snack on the other ones that are left on there. Then we're gonna just stir it all up together. The cream cheese is already softened. That's important. You wanna make sure you soften the cream cheese. And just make all that cheesy goodness together in there. We got that pretty good mixed in there. All right, so now we're gonna take our crock pot here and just put that cheese over the bottom. Come on, baby. Man, that is, oh, you're gonna get a workout doing this too. That. Awesome. All right, next we're gonna take 14-ounce pizza sauce and just pour it on in there. Ooh, she purty, huh? All right, so once we got that, then we're gonna stir all that together. Each of these little steps is important, so make sure you, once you pour the pizza sauce in there, you mix it. So that we have that thoroughly mixed in with the cheese. Gonna go to my favorite part. And take some pepperonis. If you want to put them in as they are, that's cool. For me, I want them in like smaller pieces. So I'm gonna cut them in half as I drop them in there. Because then they're better for like a bite size, kind of when you're dipping something in there. Could even do it into quarters. Do that right there. That should be about good. And then we're gonna take our spices. I'm gonna do a little garlic powder over the top. Oh, that was a little more than I meant to. But I always love garlic, so there's not too much garlic in my book. I'm gonna put a little oregano. Some basil. And if you want it with a little bit of spice, put some crushed red pepper flakes over the top. I know Derek's a fan of that, so I'm gonna.
Oh yeah.
Gotta take care of the cameraman. All right, so once you got all that in there, you're gonna just put a lid on top and you're gonna put it on low and you're gonna leave it in there for 2 to 3 hours. And then we're gonna come back and see how this baby's bubbling. All right, let's try this pizza dip. Oh, wow. It smells amazing. Look at that. It's all nice and creamy now. Okay, so let's make sure I got a pepperoni in there. Guys, I usually would do this with Fritos, but I forgot to buy them. So we're gonna do a blue corn tortilla. We'll try something different with it. See how it is. Whoa!